Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 3919 North Parkway in Walworth. This is a picture-perfect ranch that is ranch-tastic. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. From the welcoming front porch with nature views, you are greeted with the spectacular cathedral ceiling great room, featuring many windows so it's light and bright, and a cozy gas fireplace, plus a beautiful kitchen with custom cabinetry and newer appliances. All open to the dining area with a sliding glass door to another covered porch, and a fenced-in backyard for a wonderful garden or your favorite pet. From the great room, you have access to a spacious laundry room, two-car garage, and a lower level for storage or future expandability, plus two spacious bedrooms and two baths, including the spectacular owner suite, with two closets, one of which is a walk-in, and a beautiful bath. The quality construction and architectural details are just amazing and is evident in the details. This property is within the cottages that have access to walking trails and the scenic pond. What a nature paradise to enjoy. Just east of Penfield, this property has an excellent location. Nearby, everything you need. From Wegmans, Target Store, Eastside Y, restaurants and shops. What a great location! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3919 North Parkway in Walworth. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.